Somatic resources is a very valuable concept in psychotherapy practice. Somatic resources refer to the literal capacities of the body to regulate arousal, keep it in the window of tolerance, to be able to be in relationship, to be able to really meet the challenges that we face every day. Because our physical capacities can support our psychological capacities. So there's probably hundreds of somatic resources. Some of the ones we're going to explore are resources like being able to seek proximity, to reach out, being able to expand our breath, to ground ourselves, to center ourselves. We can look at bodies in terms of what kind of somatic resources might be needed. For example, if a client comes in with the chin up like this and is having trouble keeping boyfriends, as one of my college student clients had, we know that she's going to have more success keeping her boyfriends if she can bring her chin down, right? Somebody whose chest is tight and constricted might need a breathing resource. So we do body reading. We look at the body to look at the procedural patterns of the body and look at somatic resources that are existing and those that are missing, and help clients learn and embody those resources that are missing to both heal the wounds of the past and move forward in their lives today.